Now this headband right here, this is like, you got the fit on. You got the fit. Baby, I can't live another day without you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Carly and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, press that red button down below and join the fam. Subscribe. I would love to have you join the family. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I'm coming at you with Rpgshow. Super excited. I love Rpgshow. I've always loved that company. I've always wanted hair from them. So finally, I have some Rpgshow hair. And it's just flourishing. I love it. It's beautiful. Like literally, I'm obsessed with this wig. Let me tell you guys the tea. It is a headband wig. I never tried a headband wig before. This is my first time and I am very pleased with it. Who knew like you could have a wig look so natural and just be so easy? Like I feel like the whole lace situation, it's just really difficult and it's really hard to keep up with. Like let's be real, for the everyday girl, it's really hard to keep up with. If you don't know how to do it yourself, like you gotta pay to get that installed and then you gotta pay every 2 weeks to keep it up. Like it's a lot of work. So I feel like this wig right here is the perfect wig for like your everyday average girl working a 9 to 5. You know what I mean? Like you could go to the gym in it. Like it's just not too much maintenance at all. You could take it off at night, put it on in the morning with no hassle. Like I just really love this wig. You don't have to worry about your lace lifting or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it. Not even installed it, how I put it on. It literally took 2 seconds. I just did my edges and I put it on. Like I'm not even kidding, out the box. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig. It has some like black and golden brown highlights. I really like it, and it has Velcro on it to attach it, the headband, so you could customize it and make it as tight or loose as you want. It has wig combs all throughout. It has 4, 1 in the front, 2 in the sides, and 1 in the back. I don't use wig combs. I don't like them. I feel like they're very uncomfortable on my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I got it on without the wig combs, and it's not like gonna go anywhere. Like it's on there, like it's not moving at all. So let's get into me putting this on. Okay guys, hey, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take my little scarf off. Hopefully my edges are laid. There they are. Here she is. She's looking beautiful. I really like this color. I like these highlights. They're super cute. And it's dark up top, so it's not gonna be like too crazy and look crazy. Like it's still gonna match my hair color. If the highlights went a little bit more up, I feel like it would have been like but I think it's perfect. So you can wear it like at your hairline, but me personally, I will wear it behind my hairline with some of my baby hairs showing. And I'm just trying to see how much I want it. I think that's good. And it's actually really hard for me to push back right now because I have the wig grip on under this. And the wig grip really like grips onto the wig, so it makes it hard to push it back. But I think I want it about here. You know what I forgot to do? I find it a lot easier to put the hair in like a little ponytail because it can like grab on to the Velcro. I'm just gonna attach it in the back There we are. We're secured, sis. It's already looking natural. So this is what the wig looks like as soon as you put it on. It's really cute. It's a cute length. It hits me like right here. Like, yes, get into it. Yes, get into it. I'm obsessed. I feel like these headband wigs are taking over. Like, these are definitely gonna take over. Like, I could still have the swoop-de-doops and I could still have my long hair in the back. Like, girl, bye. You ain't gonna tell me nothing. Like, this wig is the perfect wig for the gym. I work out a lot and I usually wear like my lace wig at the gym, and my lace just don't be looking that good at the gym, but I just put a headband on. So this is literally like perfect. It already has the headband in the wig, so I just put my wig on and I could just go to the gym like that, and I could put it in a ponytail, which I'm about to do right now. I've never put it in a ponytail before. Oh, before I put it in a ponytail, let's talk about these headbands I have. So the wig already looks good with just the black standard headband that's already attached to it. You could like scrunch it up a little bit. And you could definitely just wear it with the regular black headband and you'll be straight. But I'm also going to try out the other headbands that I received from Rpgshow. So this is the yellow headband. It's cute. I feel like this yellow headband could add a nice pop of color into your outfit or into your day, just make you look more brighter. Yellow on melanin is everything. So yeah, this is the yellow one. Next, we're gonna try out the gray one. So this is the gray headband. These are the ones that they actually sell on the Rpgshow website. All of the headbands that I'm going to show are. But you could also buy additional headbands from like Walmart, Walgreens, anywhere, and just rock those as long as they're like thick. Like, because the really skinny ones wouldn't really work because the black band is thick. But like the thick headbands, they would work. So any style that you want, any color that you want, you could switch it up. And even like the hard type headbands, you could wear those too. So this is very versatile. You'll definitely have a headband or even the head wraps like to match every outfit. So I really like that. And now I'm gonna show you guys the black one. This is my favorite just because I'm hella basic and like I just like just basic, like simplicity, you know, minimalistic. This me. So I really like this. It's really cute. The black, real basic, but it's still cute. So next is this silver shimmery one. This one is similar to like your everyday ones, but it has a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of shimmer to show you, yes, I'm here. You know, I'm not a regular bitch. You know, I got a little shimmer going on here. Let me stop. All right, so this is just a regular one with shimmer in it. It's really cute for if you just want to add just a little bit of pizzazz to your day, a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of sparkle. But it's cute. It's cute. It matches my little aesthetic over here, so I'm digging that. Next headband I'm gonna try out is this one. This is the next headband I'm gonna try out. I feel like these headbands, I see these all over Instagram, all over everywhere, and I feel like they're super duper cute. This is definitely the headband that you would wear if you have like an outfit on and you trying to stunt, you slaying, like you feeling yourself. This is low-key like a crown. Oh, hey. Why did I just get mad excited putting this on? Yo, this is cute. I like this. I'm not even gonna lie, I've been wanting a headband like this. This is super, super cute. Now this headband right here, this is like, you got the fit on. You got the fit. I think it's really cute. Really like it. So I just wanted to show you guys how versatile this wig is and how many different hairstyles you could do with it. So first, I'm gonna put it in a high pony tail. A high pony. So So we have our ponytail here. It's not perfect or anything. I literally just do it in. I obviously would like smooth it out a little more. My arms hurt. The ponytail, it's not a perfect ponytail, but it's here and we swinging. Nah, it's cute though. Should I attempt to do half up, half down? I think I will. I'm scared. Okay. How we doing this? This is my half up, half down. I probably should have made it go a little higher, but there it is. I'm not that good at hairstyles. Like, I'm just being real. That's why this wig is kind of perfect for me, because like it just looks good how it is. I don't know how to do all the extra stuff. I'm not gifted hair wise. I don't know how to do hair, so like it's hard for me, but it's still cute. And obviously you won't have a defined part because it's not a lace wig, but you don't need a defined part. It's still cute how it is. So that is the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I really love this wig. If you can't tell already, I'm like actually obsessed with it, and I want to just buy so many different textures. Like I'm just like, I want to go crazy and just buy so much. I don't need that many though, but I want them. I'm so happy that like they came out with this type of style. I feel like this is just a game changer for us everyday girls. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, if you're thinking about getting this wig, if you want more hair videos, more videos in general, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I hope you have a marvelous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.